Hello to everyone and welcome to the Rondo Teach. In today's video, we are making chocolate cookies. Unlike the crunchy, crumbly cookies that you usually find in stores, these ones are tender and cake-like in texture. They're perfect as a cozy little snack alongside your favorite drink, whether it's coffee, tea, or even a cold glass of milk. They're not overly sweet either, so you won't get that sugar overload. Just the right balance to keep you coming back for more. For these chocolate cookies, you'll need 140 grams butter, 75 grams granulated sugar, 40 grams brown sugar, 90 grams egg. Yeah, you should be very precise here. Make sure to weigh your egg, and if it's a bit over, feel free to remove some of the egg whites to hit that 90 grams mark. 240 grams flour, 20 grams cocoa powder, 20 grams cornstarch, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon vanilla extract, a tiny pinch of salt, and also here we have chocolate chips. At first, make sure your butter isn't cold. It should be soft enough to mix easily with the other ingredients. Using a mixer, cream the butter together with both types of sugar until it reaches a smooth and fluffy texture. Next, add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. In a separate bowl, mix together the flour, baking powder, cornstarch, and cocoa powder. Now gradually, sift the dry ingredients into the butter mixture. Take your time here. Sifting helps keep the texture light and even. Don't use your hands to mix the dough. The warmth from your hands can affect the final texture of the cookies. Once everything nicely combined, fold in the chocolate chips. Wrap the dough tightly in a plastic wrap and chill it in the fridge for about 2 hours. Make sure it's sealed well so it doesn't dry out. Take your chilled dough and divide it into portions based on how big you want your cookies to be. Here we are going with 20 grams per cookie, just the right size for a sweet little bite. Roll each portion gently into a ball and place it on your baking tray. Don't hold the dough in your hands for too long. Remember, the warmth from your hands can mess with the texture we are aiming for. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius and bake the cookies for 7 minutes. If you are making larger cookies, for example 50 grams each, you'll need to bake them a bit longer, around 10 minutes. But how do you know that they're done? The outside should look dry and set, but the inside should still be soft and tender. And that's the magic. Once they're out of oven, let them cool completely before digging in. And that's it. Your soft chocolate cookies are ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching till the end. If you enjoyed baking with us today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because there are a lot of more sweet, simple and delicious recipes coming your way. Hope to see you soon.